as you can see, we have a small problem. The screen is flickering, and that's pretty common problem with this model. It's kind of getting better after some time in this car, so it's not totally broken yet. The problem is this screen. That's a very common problem with these cars. 2016, 2019 Astra K. I ordered a new screen from China. Surprise, surprise. Actually, this package came from Italian. I ordered it from Amazon. I think we just have to change the screen. Broken. These are very tight. I think it's never been out, this piece. So that's a 7mm socket what I need for these screws. This, I think I will let it like that for now. When I will put this back in and I will put this frame, I will add some glue here. Then I push this frame here. have some super glue gel, so it's a little bit thicker, and I will just add some super glue here, and then I will press this panel back. I think it will be fine. Job done. That was actually pretty easy to do by yourself. Only 95 francs. Not bad. All right, I did some test driving. I let it warm up. I let it cool down. I started the car a few times. Everything seems to be working fine. And I think this quality is pretty good. I can't see any difference between the original and this one, like in a resolution or sharpness. So I'm pretty happy about that. Yep, see you guys next time.